What I wish I knew at the dawn of the 21st century. That the skies were about to change forever with the X-35A CTOL, the Lockheed Martin X-35A CTOL. A trailblazer in military aviation history. As part of the Joint Strike Fighter program, this beast beat the Boeing X-32 and evolved into the mighty F-35A Lightning II. With its first flight on October 24, 2000, the X-35A showcased incredible agility and cutting-edge tech. Powered by a Pratt & Whitney turbofan, it reached speeds over Mach 1.5! Imagine that. But the X-35A was just the beginning. This concept demonstrator paved the way for the F-35A, a multi-role stealthy fighter that's revolutionizing air combat. Air defense, ground attack, reconnaissance, you name it, the F-35A does it all. From its stealth shaping and radar-absorbent materials to its advanced sensor fusion and networking capabilities, the F-35A is designed to dominate the skies. And with international partnerships and ongoing improvements, it's not just a plane, it's a global force. Join the ranks of aviation enthusiasts who know one thing for sure. The X-35A wasn't just a game changer, it was the beginning of an air power revolution. Fly high, dream big,